Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work. And this week I wanted something a little wintry. So I'm using some winter collage circles from Create with Mandy, combined with some cool abstract stickers from According to Allie. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I want to do is, I don't know. So let's pick this nice big one. Oops, and place it right here up at the top. And then I'm gonna place this one right here. I feel like it's just gonna be such a simple spread, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna place a smaller one just over here. And which one do I want to use? I actually want to use a couple. I'm going to use this one combined with this one. Oops. I like it already. So simple though. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Leonardo Memento Zero Grande, and this currently has Taranishi Opera Rose, and I love this ink. This is an ink that I actually want to buy a full bottle of. And I'm just writing down the days of the week, and then I'm going to draw a line down the middle. And I know this ink doesn't match exactly with what's here, but there's some colors that do. I'm gonna add, actually, I'm gonna add a darker one because I like the different combinations. And then I'm going to just add this and add this, and I actually think, one second, thought I was going to add more, but I don't think I actually am. So now what am I going to do? I think I'm actually just going to go ahead and write in my meetings. So there's my overall finished spread. Very simple, but still I think it adds a lot of fun to the spread. And I think once I actually fill it in with my pen and add notes on this side, it is actually going to be quite a fun spread. And I really need to also make the time to read the quotes. This one says, "The summit of Everest, the highest point on earth, is quite sharp actually. I guess maybe 10 people can stand on it. So this awesome mountain guide climbed Everest 9 times. So it's nice to actually be able to read them and understand them. All right, but that is it for me. A very short plan with me in my HOBONICHI weeks. This is still a very functional planner for me, but I don't need the different graphs or the different sections. I just need my meetings, my to-do lists, and notes. And then if I go past this, then that's when I go into the notes section in the back. If you guys have any questions about how I use my HOBONICHI weeks, please let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.